Hello students, so in this video we'll be talking about this new program BA Honours which has been started by NLSIU Bangalore. You heard it right, NLSIU Bangalore, which is usually famous for its law courses, right? It has started from this year onwards, that is academic year 25-26. The admission will be done now. For 25-26 academic year, they have published a notification calling in for admission into BA Honours course. Right now in this particular video, we'll be discussing about various aspects of this course, which is how this particular seats are divided, how the admission would happen, that is the admission procedure. We'll talk about the fee structure, we'll talk about the course structure, we will talk about the other aspects also, example internship or whether it be the campus facility and other things which are important. Now, coming to the important feature here, the most important feature is the exam through which this particular exam is conducted. Then we'll talk about how this particular course is relevant and for whom it would be relevant, right? Now, if we talk about the admission process, right, there is something known as NLSAT BA. This particular exam is going to be conducted. We will talk about important dates, but the exam will be conducted in two parts, that is part 1 and part 2. Part A shall consist of MCQ questions of 75 marks and there is negative marking of 0.25, right? So those who appear in the part 1, they also have to appear in part B, so they are together, but only those who qualify the part A portion of the exam, only their paper will be evaluated in part B. Now part A is MCQ 75 marks, part B is descriptive, subjective questions, right, which are also of 75 marks, and based on these two marks, a final mark sheet will be created, final merit list will be created, and in order to be in the merit list, it says that a general category and EWS category students should have 75 percentile, whereas for SC, ST, OBC it is 40 percentile, and out of that merit list, top 60 students will be selected. So there is two level of filtration. One, you have to get minimum of the marks, minimum of the percentile. Second, out of those who got the minimum of the percentile, 60 will be selected. So if your percentile is less than this and still you are in top 10 also, you will not be considered because you have to separately be eligible. That is, you should get a 75 percentile or more. Moreover, you should be in top 60 students, only then your admission will be considered. Now let's talk about the procedure here, the admission procedure. If you talk about the admission procedure, important dates have been released here. It says that the exam will be conducted on April of 27, 2025 between 10 to 12:30 p.m. Now, if you look at the registration fee for this particular course, this particular exam, that is NLSAT BA, for that exam, general category students have to pay 2,500, whereas students from SC, ST, OBC, PWD and EWS category, they have to pay 2,000 rupees as fee. Now, if you look at this particular thing, you could see that for this particular program, the application will start in first week of January. Already on 10th December, the notification has been released. So on January 1st, by the end of January 1st week 2025, you will get an application form, fill the application form, pay the required fee, sit for the exam on April 27. The application closes on March 23. So keep that in mind. So it starts from first week of January. It ends, the application ends on March 23. The exam will be on March of 27 and the final admission will be concluded by May 2025, and from July onwards, the classes will start. Now, the reservation criteria, the reservation structure is also given, right? There is SC, ST, OBC and EWS reservation as given here, that is 15%, 7.5%, 27% and 10% respectively for these four categories. Apart from that, Karnataka student category is also given, right, which will be a horizontal reservations which will be there. So 25% of horizontal reservation will be provided to Kerala students, and the criteria is given here. You can check all these details from NLS website, right? Now, apart from that, if we talk about the course as such, so if you go to NLS website and go to the admission column, there you can find mention of this particular thing. Now, within that, the NLS का BA program का the brochure is given here, right? If you go through the brochure, you will get familiar with the course structure. Now, it would be very difficult for me to cover everything within same video. So I will tell you what this particular thing is. So the program is of 3 years, but students will be given option to stay for 4 years. That is, a BA honors course of 3 years is offered, but if you extend that for 1 more year, the 4th year, you will be doing the research and training thing. If you want to get, or if you want to pursue career and research side, in that case, you can opt to extend this course for 4 years, right? So generally the BA courses are for 3 years, but this particular program can go for 4 years, right? Now the same thing is given here. I would want you to refer to this brochure. The link to this will be also, I will make sure that it's added in the comment box. Now apart from that, if you see here, 3 years program is there, 4th year option on selection basis. Again, it's not that you opt, you can stay back. It will be on selection basis based on your academics and all those things. It will be evaluated, right? Now, apart from duration, if we talk about the structure, this program offers you either to do a single major or do a double major. In both of these cases, how many credits will be there? 148 credits will be there. But suppose you stay back for 1 more year, then extra 24 credits will be added. That way, it would increase. So total credits are 148. These are the majors, minors, and all other subject related details are given, right? If we talk about the course fee, the course fee is given here. It says that yearly it would come around 4,32,000 in total, 4,50,000 for SC/ST category, 4,54,000 for other students. The fees would be somewhere here. The split of the fees is given here, right? Apart from that, it says that off-campus housing fee, if you are opting for it, then you will have to pay 1,23,000. Otherwise, if you are a day scholar or if you make your own arrangement, in that case, you don't need to pay this particular aspect, right, of the fee. So this is the total payable fee, 4,50,000 for SC/ST OBC. SC/ST only, and then 4,54,000 per year for the general students, right? So we have talked about the exam. We have talked about how there will be 2 parts. First part MCQ, 3 aspects: English comprehension, reasoning, and quantitative aptitude. These are the 3 subjects which will be tested there. In part B, you will be tested on descriptive based answers that you will write. Right, so for course related detail, you can get more into this. Apart from that, there are credits which have been allocated for internships. There are credits for electives, major electives, minor electives. So the course structure is actually definitely it offers a lot in terms of what you want to pursue after BA, right? So if you look at the course and all these things are given. So based on your interest, suppose you are reading literature and you want to get into, say, mass communication and media. So in that case, accordingly you can choose or you can adjust your courses, so that although 148 is the total credit score, but credits that you have to score, but apart from that, still if you stay for 1 more year, then the addition of 28 will be there. So apart from that, if we talk about other aspects, it says that trimester based setup will be there. That means per year three trimesters will be there, and all of the credits will be covered accordingly, right? So I hope that this video was useful, right? So this is also one of the way we are looking at, because CUET remains the most important exam for those who want to actually do BA courses, right? So NLSIU Bangalore has brought this particular course, and NLSAT BA would definitely be a good alternative for CUET. So all those who are appearing for CUET, they should also appear for this, is something that I would suggest. So I hope this video was useful. With that, we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching.